If you found this video, then you're in a dilemma. You have a beer, but no beer bottle opener. So what can we do? Let's just be resourceful. I'm going to show you a method that applies to almost everything. I am going to use a vitamin bottle to open a beer bottle. And how do we do that? With the method of leverage. And so basically what we're going to do is we're going to take a hard edge. I'm going to use this cap here. And we're gonna try to apply leverage and see if it opens, which it will. It's just all a matter of practice. So with this bigger kind of bottle, you're gonna have to apply a little bit more squeeze. You're gonna have to squeeze with your index finger, put it down here. Make sure these three fingers and your thumb are squeezing the bottom of the bottle. And then you basically pop it off. So as you can see, with the method of leverage, you can open a beer bottle with almost anything.